the number of students has been increasing gradually from 12 onwards. In 14 there was a decrease. It was because of the change in age 12 years before. That was somewhere in 2002 at the entry level, first standard. So that's a normal, it can be explained very easily. Then last 2 years it was around 15,000 students answering, but this year we had a record of 16,521 students answering. That was nearly 1,000 more, 1,500 more than last year. So this is the past percentage that we are set to declare. 16,521 students answered whole, of which 14,666 have passed, giving a percentage of 88.77%. Yeah. The girls and boys breakup, as usual, we have the girls, more girls answering the exam, 12th standard, and also performing better. You can see the percentage of the girls passing compared to the boys.
तशेंच 23 हायर सेकंडरीनी 95% परस चड रिजल्ट लागला. पालक आनी भुरग्यांनी प्रुडंटाक फोन करून दिल्ल्या म्हायती प्रमाण कॉमर्सान एंड्रिया पिकार्दोक 95% जाल्यार आर्ट्सान मारिया फर्नांडिसाक 96% मेळ्ळ्यात. सायन्सीन दिव्या प्रभूक 96.5%. ते एस समिती कवळ्या हायर सेकंडरीचे स्टुडंट.
दिसाक एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 4 hours शिकताले आनी कन्सेप्ट्स म्हजे परफेक्ट करपाक खूब प्रॅक्टीस करताले. हांव म्हाज्या सगळ्या सक्सेसाचें क्रेडीट म्हगेले मम्मा डॅडी आनी म्हगेले स्कुलांतले टिचर्स. म्हाका फुडें जावन इंजिनियर जावपाचें आसा, कंप्युटर सायन्स. ट्युशन घेताले PCM सब्जेक्ट आनी ट्युशन टिचर्स जासून म्हाका खूब हेल्प मेळ्ळो.
आज म्हजी चली बरे मार्क मेळून बरे हितून आयला तेन्ना ताजो SS समिती जो ताका खूब ताजो आदार जालो आनी टिचरींनी ताका खूब ताजेर सपोर्ट बीन ताका फुडें हाडला आनी त्याच बरोबर ट्युशन टिचरींनी ताका खूब ताजो हेल्प करून ताका मदत करून ताका अशें ह्या उच्च हाजेर पातळीचेर पावयल्लें आसा.
आनी म्हाका मुद्दम सांगपाचें आसा की केन्ना म्हाका तेणी अशें सकाळीं उठून बाबा ताका अभ्यास करपाक जाय किंवा आनी कितें करपाक जाय, हें होमवर्क करपाक जाय केन्ना सांगचें पडूना. आनी अशेंच न्ही की सगळो अभ्यासूच न्ही इतरूय कामाचेर ते बरें लक्ष दिताले. अशें गेट टुगेदर जावन आमी अशें बरें डिस्कस करतालीं आनी अशें म्हणून तेजे केन्ना अशें त्रास जावना अभ्यास करगो अशें म्हणून सांगपाचें.
I really felt proud. I thank God. I thank my parents and all the teachers who have also helped me. Really, it's quite incredulous actually. It's hard to believe and I'm very happy. God has been so grateful.
How you prepared for your examination?
Yes, I worked really hard during the board holidays. I studied for 10 hours and I would allow myself some entertainment to rejuvenate the mind. And I solved question papers. I went through the preparatories and I went with my difficulties to the teachers. They were also ever willing to help me. And finally I prayed to God, which is the most important thing, pray. And of course I had emotional support from my parents, my grandmother and all my aunts, uncles, cousins.
Okay, so as a teacher from your school, how they supported you, how they prepared for you?
Yes, they were always ever willing to help us. They gave me the confidence that I can do my best. They taught well. They always welcomed me whenever I had my difficulties. They also worked hard with the students. I want to graduate in English and history and I want to major in English and then I want to be a professor, in fact teach in the college.
10वेचो निकाल 25 मायाक जातलो. 12वेचो निकाल जाहीर करताना चेअरमॅनान ही घोषणा केली. परू 12वेचो 90.10% रिजल्ट लागिल्लो. अनु 88.77%. सप्लिमेंटरी परीक्षा जूनाच्या 8 तारखेक जातली. ऑक्टोबराची परीक्षा रद्द केल्या. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.